A great way to make money with the skills and tools you already have is through farmers markets. And if you're going to do a farmers market, you need a canopy. I just bought this one for my farmers markets this summer, and it's really nice because it has a ventilation system up here, and I love how the legs move. They don't have like the hole in the button that you always pinch your fingers on. It's just like push this little clip here and it slides. Really nice. Yeah, if you're trying to make money with farmers markets or pop-up tents or flea markets this year, a canopy is a must. This one was a good price for me. I'll leave an affiliate link to it in the description box below. Another business idea is doing canopy rentals. I thought about renting some for my farmers markets this year, and you can go onto Facebook Marketplace and find other people who may be doing that in your area. But that's another side hustle you could start with canopies if you buy a couple and rent them out to people. So yeah, definitely can recommend this one and wanted to give you guys my affiliate link in the description box below.